Hey guys, welcome back to Dreams to Reality. Today is okra planting day. Last year I had the okra down in the big garden down at the bottom of the hill. Well, we planted a lot more stuff this year. So I thought, you have to check okra so often, every day, or it goes from small to, oops, too late, in the blink of an eye, it seems. But this year, this is up in our front yard, actually. We decided to put the okra up here, and hopefully we can keep a better eye on it since we're up here more than what we are at the bottom of the yard. But I brought the landscape fabric up, and we have started putting it down, and it already has the holes burned in it from last year. So we're going to have to make a few more holes, but right now Bob is helping by loosening up some of the dirt that's in there, and I'm just going to use my little hand shovel and dig it out, and we'll go from there. I've already got, be careful guys whenever you start to get down. Whenever you get 50 plus, things just fall real easily. Have you ever kind of boo-booed when you went to a greenhouse? Well, I did this year. Went to 2 different greenhouses. First greenhouse I went to, I got the okra that I really wanted to get. It's the Clemson spineless okra, but it's the red. It's much easier to see the red okra against all of the green leaves and stems and stalks. But yeah, I wanted the red. But a day or two later, we went to a different greenhouse and bought different plants. And somehow, this green packet of okra jumped into my cart. I honestly did not know it until I got home and looked, and I thought, that looks like okra. And I read the tag. Yeah. So we've got double the amount of okra. Guys, what are you going to do with a ton of okra for a harvest? Please give me some ideas, because you can only eat so much of it. But anyway, let's get to digging this up and get those in the ground. Okay. Alright, I've made the other holes down through here for the okra. You have to burn holes in this landscape fabric, otherwise it will tear. But we're getting it done. We don't have to have the holes super deep for okra. I think I've got this one probably about 5 inches deep. I've got a handful of this Miracle-Gro garden soil in here. So I put that in the bottom of it. Then I put my okra in there. Then I'm putting this regular soil back around it, kind of mashing it in. And those plants will take off and do absolutely fantastic. This is my last okra plant. And guys, I think I failed to mention something at the start of the video whenever I was talking about accidentally getting too many plants. Well, I really honestly did accidentally get too many. But something else is each one of these had 2 plants in there. All except one. There was one in it. So I'm going to get quadruple the amount of okra as what I had originally planned on getting. But that's okay. I do like okra. But like I said, if you have any ideas on how to preserve that, please let me know. Okay, again, the hole's about 5 inches deep. I took my okra out of my little nursery container. Handful of dirt, my plant, and just push it back around there. And that is all that you have to do to plant okra. But there is one little step, something that my mama always does. And every time she plants something, she says, I plant you in Jesus' name. And she always has really, really, really good harvests. So all my plants, I've planted in Jesus' name. So I plant all you okras in Jesus' name. So there we go. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you guys on the next video.